to write you a letter, but I'm trapped in your mouth. I want to scream at you or scream your name holding the mute button. I want to paint you a landscape in the letters of your name. That shade of blue steel like water in angry eyes, ice that melts when I kiss you. A frozen window shade that sometimes breaks the timing chain of our synchronous ways. I want to run up and grab you like a stranger on a train, laying battery tracks in charcoal black pencil stains that stagger forward like old photographs. Hold your secret places, warm my hands in your shadows, wear you like a poncho and time you like a clock. I want to make love to your similes, diagram your knees with my future tense. I want to tie a ribbon in your hair around my forehead so our faces will always touch. A kiss like the hands of a clock. Only a second away, now it's here. Only a second away, now it's here. Reminded by the hint of your lips to live in the moment. I want to tell you I love you in a way that no one has ever thought of, with hands or eyes or tongue. Not just I love you, but I would wrestle the sun to be tied up in your dress, made slave to the way of your mouth. Like your bottom lip, I'm the lonely half of one, undone with the kiss. I want to write cliches in your hair, trite confessions of love and sin that begin in flowers and end in your laughter. To sit naked with you in public and hold your hand. Because sometimes things get so overwrought we build fences. So complicated that we need to get back to simple defenses. I love you. I paint promises on your skin in oil. Storm your lavender like the Bastille. You teach me to lie still. Listen to democracy cry revolution. Revolution. I rinse you in watercolors with my words. Coat you in sweat like lemonade to my sandpaper thirst. I hold you and cry love like a martyr. You smile lightning from the trees, laughing when I cry out, what have you done? You strike me, split me, make me whole. You finish my sentences and rebuild my bridges from ash. You make me as willing to love as the child I once was. Bravo.